This is the Mecity coffee maker. It comes with a pod dispenser, so you can place a pod in there in the coffee, or you can place your own coffee grounds from like Folgers or whatnot with these, and it also comes with a scoop. The thing just pops on like that. Has a water canister that you can fill up. You remove the top and it just comes right out. Very simple and easy. It makes a cup of coffee pretty quick, and I'll show you the largest one. So have a new pot in there. I'm going to go ahead and push on, and the large cup. I purchased this because my Keurig broke, and I'm so happy I did. It is pretty quick. Once the coffee is brewed, it has a great flavor and is a good consistency. When it gets going, you kind of get skeptical, but towards the end, it's a very nice, deep, dark coffee color. I like to use the pods because it's easier, but it is so nice to have the options if I run out and I am not able to replace the pods. While that's brewing, comes with a quick guide, how to operate it, disassemble, all the information, troubleshooting guide. So if you are having any issues, it gives you options on how to try and solve it by yourself. And then the user manual, which I have not had any issues at all, and I've owned this for at least 6 months. Lasted longer than my Keurig, but it's already getting there. Highly recommend. Small and compact for a single cup, and strong, efficient. And it beeps when it's done, so you can know when it's done. Also has a little top right here. You can pull that out and clean it, or you can put a bigger cup in there. And wait for it to beep. It'll still drip a little bit until it beeps. And there is room for creamer, and this is my morning mug. Hope you like it, and you won't regret getting it.
So I wanted to do a quick video about this coffee maker. It's like a little Keurig kind of coffee maker. Has a nice reservoir in the back that's easily pulled in and out. I'm not going to worry about that for right now. A couple things I saw online when I was looking at this coffee maker was the size of the cup, that this is so narrow. But as you can see, this coffee cup fits just fine. It brews in here just fine. It's pretty wide. This one's pretty tall, but it fits in there just fine. This is one I got from Joann's. It fits in there just fine. So you can use a lot of different cups. Here's one of the things that I find interesting about this maker is these are some little pods that I had bought for a different coffee maker that I use for making tea. I use for making, like when I use ground coffee. Here are the ones that come with this. Look how big that is compared to this. So you can get a lot more coffee. And they come with these extra holders. I can't do this with one hand. Anyway, that goes inside there, that closes, and then this fits inside here. It also comes with this little Keurig, the K-cup thing. You pop that in there. And then the other thing about this coffee maker is how fast it brews. So here is making a standard cup of coffee. And it starts brewing that fast. So the only thing about this brewer that I find interesting is this is a small cup, medium cup, and a large cup. They say this is 6, 8, and 10, but I find this for me is actually 8, 10, and 12. So you'll want to check when you get yours to see what the actual brew size is so you can get the right cup of coffee. So hope that helps.
Coffee. And as you can tell or hear, and you see the coffee. It works pretty good, except for this is all it puts in for a 16-ounce cup. And I was supposed to get the pink one, and they sent me silver.
I have it for a year so far, and it's perfect for my tea and coffee. It holds a lot of water, and it's just perfect.